How to enable fingerprint lock on Android biometric setup. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. Before starting video, if your phone don't have biometric sensor, you cannot add it, but if your phone have, I will tell you how you guys can do that. For that, we'll simply go to settings. Once we click on settings, here you guys will see search bar option. Simply click here. Now search for finger only. Once you search for finger only, here you guys can see on top fingerprint animation sound. Also you guys can see fingerprint and face unlock in security and privacy. Simply click here. Once we click here you guys can see screen lock. Also you guys can see face and fingerprint unlock, so simply click on that. Once we click here you guys can see face fingerprint. So if your phone has already enabled, you guys will see fingerprint on. If it was disabled, you guys will simply see only fingerprint option. So I'll simply click here. Once I click here it will ask for phone password, so I will simply give it. Once we give it, here you guys can see 8 fingerprints, so simply click here. Now here you guys will see sensor. Also you guys will see a screen option. That type of animation in your phone it will be different, so simply add your finger to sensor, and once you do that, you guys will simply click on ok. And once you click on ok, that's it, your fingerprint will be added. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.